Hey there, everyone. We're doing CSS Daily for April 19th. I'm going to try not looking at the code and just jumping in and see where I get, see what happens. Yeah, so here we go. We're going to do background, var, bg, card bg. Let's go with that. We're going to say height, 400 pixels, width, 400 pixels. Neither of those are right, but that's okay. It's going to be wider, 450, 460, 70. It's not right, but it's kind of close. Too tall, 390, 80, 70. I'm just trying to get the top to match because the bottom's off screen. 60, 50, 55. The top seems to be close. We're going to say overflow clip. Let's say border radius, 15 pixels. Then header. It's going to give background var header bg. Height, 120 pixels. It's too tall. 100. Looks close. Can't tell if there is a border. Yeah, it looks like there is a border bottom on that. Border bottom, 2 pixels. Solid var border, card border. Oh, maybe there's a card border also. Badge, smoky color badge. The item border, I don't know. Item border maybe. And that means up here we need to do a border 2 pixels solid var card border. There. Okay. Now what do we want to do? Since I don't know the structure of anything, who knows? We have a menu tag, menu title, menu subtitle. Okay. This is going to be background var bg tag bg. Yeah. It's going to be, what do we want to do with that thing? I think we need to come in here and go padding, 10 pixels, 20 pixels. 12, 15. That looks close-ish. Okay, now with this thing, let's do text transform uppercase, color var tag color. Let's do padding 2 pixels, 0, border radius 10 pixels, font height size, let's say 14 pixels, and then more padding on the sides. 4, no, on the sides, 2 and 4 pixels. Maybe this is 12, and this is more, 8. That's close-ish. Title, color, var, name color? No. Text, item background, footer background, item border, title color. We're going to say font size 20 pixels. We need a semicolon there. That's not going to work. Okay. 18, 20, 22 is close. Margin top 4 pixels. That's close. Subtitle color, var, something with color, subtitle color. And we need font size. We need a semicolon on that font size. 14 pixels. 12. That's pretty close. Okay. Cocktail list. We're going to do display, flex, direction, column. And then each of these cocktail items is going to get a, how's it organized? I haven't looked at it at all. We have Midnight Negroni, a span with cocktail dots that I can't see. Oh, okay. There's a border or something that goes over there. Okay. Starting to see. All right. So a cocktail item is going to have cocktail item is going to have cocktail info and cocktail ingredients. Okay, so it's also going to be the same as this. And then that's featured. It's going to have a special background color. Info is going to be that as well, but without that. Cocktail name, cocktail dots. Okay, cocktail dots is going to have border, 4 pixel dotted var something border, item border, maybe, I don't know. It's going to have a width of 100 pixels. It's just going to have border top. And it's going to have margin top 10 pixels. Okay, that's kind of the idea. This isn't right at all, but that's kind of the idea. Cocktail info. This is going to have padding 10 pixels. How am I going to deal with the dots? I guess this won't scroll. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to deal with, uh, actually, yeah, I should be able to give it an auto margin. I don't ever do it this way. Let's do this. Cocktail name. That's going to get color, var, text. Nope. Color, name color. Okay. Excuse me. Cocktail info, cocktail item is going to get a border. To fix solid var. How much time's left? 2 minutes. Border, item border. That means cocktail list. This is going to get padding of 20 pixels. And then it's going to get margin top minus 10 pixels, minus 12, 14. That looks close-ish. And then a little bit of gap, 5 pixels. And a little less padding on the sides, 10 pixels. And then each of these is going to get border radius of 10 pixels. And this one's the wrong color. Border color var border badge. These are all badge things. What's it? It's going to be featured. Item featured. Background. I mean, yes, but that's not border color. Maybe it's cardboarder. Maybe. Okay. We have 10 seconds left. Yeah, this was a pretty poor outing. 69%. Yeah, pretty poor. Nothing, yeah, nothing matches. Nothing matches. Should have set the background on this. I think that would have helped a lot. And the size was wrong. Everything was wrong. Everything was wrong. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.